Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a gun safe from ONNAIS. I did purchase this myself. This is not sponsored. They did not pay me, and this is totally my opinion and my views only. Just to be clear and transparent. So this is the box. This is how it comes. This is very, very popular online. A lot of people definitely look into this item. Do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna take it out of the package. I'm gonna go over the setup. Gonna show you how to program it, show you how to use it, and just give you some of the features and benefits on this safe. There it is. Now you can't get any faster unboxing than that. So this is what's included in this specific kit. So what's in here is a set of keys. So let's open up the box. Let's go over. We have a quick start guide and also a customer service questions and answers. Basically, this is like a troubleshooting. If you have any issues, take a look at that, and a quick start. So the quick start's super easy. I'm going to show you how to set it up. I'm going to show you how to use it. I'll put this to the side. So it's a set of keys, like I said. So the keys are simple enough. It's a simple key, nothing fancy. Basic key. And to open it, so it's a couple different things you have to do. The way to open it is three different ways. You use the key, you use a code, or you use your fingerprint. Okay, those are the three different ways of opening this specific item. So open it up with the key, insert the key, and you just pop it open, and it opens right up just like that. So what's inside the box is a tether cable. If you want to tether this to a nightstand, to your truck, whatever, does come with that, and it does come with two small screws if you want to bolt it down. In my opinion, the screws are a little bit too small. Maybe you want to use a little bit larger screws. That's the only thing I really see with this one, but do what you want. It comes with the tether cable. Inside it's lined. I'm also inside here, hard to see, but this is where the batteries go. It takes 4 AA batteries, which I do like, which I already installed. So that was easy. And then they have some buttons here. Hopefully you can see these buttons here. We have add, delete, and reset. So those are the buttons you're going to use to program the box. So that's pretty easy, right? Let's just close the box. When you close it, it recommends pressing it in the center here. That's what it says. So that makes a lot of sense. So let's take the key out. So the key is really for like emergency backup, battery's dead or something like that. That's what the key's for. So lock up the key, put it away. You probably shouldn't have to use the key. So what you want to do is, so the overall box is made very well. It's approximately about 5 pounds. It's a good size. It feels pretty beefy, honestly. It is branded. You can see it right there. Let me just give you a quick size measurement. I mean, you're watching this, you want to know all about it. Approximate size is 11.5 inches by, I'll say about 9. And the depth is approximately 2.5 inches deep. And that's the approximate size of the box. So how do you set it up? What do you do? Well, first of all, you have to get it open, hit that set button, like I showed you a few seconds ago. Okay. So to get it open is to, yes, you do need the key. You need the key anyway, because you have to put batteries in. It does not come with batteries. You have to add your own batteries. And then you want to hit add, delete, and reset. So to add a code, you hit add 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit OK. Okay. You have to do it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. That is now added. Do the fingerprint, hit add. Tap it, tap it, tap it. That's done. Now it's blinking. Do it again. Add, 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 add. Now that's done. So those two things are done. Your fingerprint now and also your code. If you want to add more fingerprints, keep hitting add. I think you hold up between 30 to 50 fingerprints, which is quite a bit. So let's just test it. Okay, so we got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit OK. That should open it. And then we should do the fingerprint. There we go. So the fingerprint opened it right up. Fingerprint is a little touchy, but it does work. Just got to get the right pressure. Make sure you do it. Make sure you rotate your finger when you're doing it. That way you get the whole signal of the whole thing. It's pretty decent metal, pretty good quality. All in all, not bad. Would I recommend it? I think I would. Again, it's not to hold the crown jewels. It's designed to keep prying eyes away from sensitive items so you can access them quickly. That's what this is for. So that's my quick review. Hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate your time as always. Have a great day.